I'm wiggling these knobs everywhere. I ain't think to wiggle the things. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's not very much delay. Not very much. This stop button doesn't seem to mean anything. I don't get it. I'm gonna have to charge the thing for 2 more hours before I figure it out. Oh, and left is right somehow on this thing. Yep. We're just gonna be flying with the joystick. I mean, the phone. Woo! I ain't digging it either. Nope. Not digging it a little bit. Not a little bit, not even. Got me walking. Got me. I don't like it. You know I don't walk. I don't walk. I don't walk. I'm broke. Damn. Drone's broke. I'm broke. Everything's broke. Wonder how it would be for recording the stuff. I can only try again. You pick. Oh, good. Good gracious. I'm gonna stir up dust in here or something. Alright, that's going. Full signal. I can't get it to record. Oh, great. Got no flight time left. So you make little bitty micro adjustments with this thing. Uh-oh, here she comes. And that's it. Oh, and I got some lag going on here. Look, oh my goodness. Look at that lag. Thing says I was flying last week. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. I can't have this. I can't bind it to the controller for some reason. It's gonna take 2 hours to charge this thing. So it'll be good and dark. It's 6 o'clock now. It'll be 8 o'clock. And it gets dark. Well, it is technically it's not. It's 5 o'clock. It gets dark about 5:30, quarter to 6. So my clock is not changed from daylight savings time. Is what it is. It ain't gonna change. I never change the clock year round. I do not change it. Woo! This little battery is hot. I mean, I don't mean a little bit hot. I mean it's hot. God, You cannot hold it in your hand. And I can hold some hot. God, that's unbelievable. I wish I had one of those little thermometer things. I'd like to know how hot this thing is. It's more than 125, 30 degrees. I cannot hold it. I cannot hold it. That's almost dangerous. I could see kids, one holding it to another. We would do stuff like that. It's just us as kids. It was like, hey, come here, man. Just burn them. But then just one of them like hold it to him, not believing that it would do him any harm, right? Just thought it would hurt a little bit. Yeah, this would do some harm. A little prank would go horribly wrong. Then somebody'd end up spanked and grounded. Yeah, we got both. I don't know about the rest of the world. That grounded stuff, yeah, that was pretty good. But spanked on top of it? Well, hot battery. I can just now hold it. It's beginning to feel actually pretty good. Switched hands here. It feels pretty good, like a little hand warmer. It shouldn't get that hot. The app should work. I'm very disappointed that it didn't. Very disappointed. That's what the little drone looks like, minus the cover on the top. I'm gonna drill a hole in mine so that wire will go through. I kind of dig this wire sticking up like that. I'm just gonna drill a little hole in the cover and stick the wire right through the hole. Let it stick up. Proud to be here. Cheap drone. Cheap. Oh man, you know what? I don't know. It's a toss-up. You know, I paid about the same thing with that Holy Stone hiding under there. You can fly this in the house. You can't fly that Holy Stone. If I can figure out, maybe it's me. I'm sure it's probably me not doing something. Finding this controller up. What in the world? Why can't I? Oh, and how it grabs onto the cell phone is not cool. It is just a little baby lip. Can I turn some, like... Not much. But anyway, a little baby lip. If you've got any kind of contour to the edge of your phone, if it's not perfectly square, which mine's not, it tends to want to just ride out of there. This is so narrow. Why'd they do that? Anyway, it's about the only thing that I really see that I hate about the controller. It's cheap-ish, and this little taper here is not really friendly. If it wasn't on that angle, if it were straight, like both sides were perpendicular to each other, that would be a little more ergonomic. Or just, I can see physically cutting this little piece out and just having this little part right here to grab a hold of. Suit me just fine. It really will. Anyway, I'm not complaining about it. The little springy things, these are very, very crisp, very tight, and seem very responsive when it's connecting. But other than that, I don't know what to tell you. I think that you can do better, but I don't know how to tell you. How you have to go put your hands on one. That's all I know. Go put your hands on one at the store, see. You can't trust these reviews. And God help me, I've got another one coming. It's $200. Supposedly. Oh man. Yeah, supposedly. We'll see. We'll see, won't we? Oh yeah, let me do this here.